it's Miles Kearney, and today we're cooking seared ahi tuna steaks. Let's cook! First thing you're gonna do is get fresh, high quality tuna. You're gonna let this sit out for 10 to 15 minutes. After it's set for 10 to 15 minutes, you're gonna pat it dry. You wanna get all the sides so you can stick the seasoning on there well. Let's talk seasonings. First, let's put brown sugar in, 1 tablespoon. Now, let's get some salt. You don't need a lot of red pepper flakes because they are really spicy. You need a lot of sesame seeds. That's the seasonings. Let's mix it up. Let's give our tuna a soy sauce bath. Now let's put sesame oil in it. Just a little bit. Now it's time to coat our tuna in the bath. Now let's flip. Make sure to get all the sides. Time to soak it in seasonings. I'm laying this out on a plate so we can put the tuna on there. Let's take the tuna out of our marinade and put it on. You make sure to get all the sides so we can have a great crust. Let's get our pan nice and hot. I'm using sunflower oil because it's a high heat oil. Nice and hot. Let's get our pan nice and hot. Ooh. When you're heating your pan, you want your oil to be shiny, not smoky. Finally, the stove is warmed up. Let's get our tuna on there. You want it 45 seconds on each side so you can build the crust. Watch as the white is coming up the fish. You want it to get about 1/4 of the way up. It's time to flip. See all that crust right there? That's what you want. It's done. Now let's plate it. You want to make sure you turn your oven off. And scoot this off to the side. Now it's done, let's bring it across the finish line. I like to add a little salt on it also. I also like to add a little sriracha aioli. Now we're just gonna cut it thin across the grain. Now let's make the presentation. 3 pieces of fish on a different plate. And let's put a little salt on it. I also like to put a little aioli on the side. Now we're done with cooking seared ahi tuna.
Hey, you're not supposed to be eating it, Miles.
Winner, winner, tuna dinner.
Have a piece. Oh, good. Ooh, that's good.
Spicy.